Hi there, students. The other day I came across a really good phrase, low on the totem pole. And I thought it was a really good one. It means of low status, of low importance. So in the company, I'm pretty low down on the totem pole. Yeah, so I'm not very important. I'm not very high up in the hierarchy. Or something that is not very important, that is not important to do, is pretty low on the totem pole. So if the house is burning, then maybe saving the things in the fridge is pretty low on the totem pole. It's not very important. But I like this image of using the totem pole to talk about the pecking order, the hierarchy, the order of status of things. Yeah, so um, I think many people are too obsessed about climbing the totem pole. So use this word, the totem pole, as a metaphor for the the ladder of social, the social ladder, the ladder of the hierarchy, the relative importance within the rat race. So maybe you're wondering, what is a totem pole? Well, a totem pole is this great big pole that Indian villages have or used to have in the centre. And on this totem pole there were carved the various totems of the tribe. Normally a totem is an animal or a natural object that is the emblem, it's the representation of the tribe. So I guess water is probably my totem, or rain is my totem. Okay, so anyway, they have this totem pole in the centre of the village, and on it are carved all sorts of different animals and things. I think each of these are a god, and I would imagine that the totems that are right at the top are the most important, and the totems that are right down the bottom are the least important. So I wonder, how high on the totem pole is learning English for you? I guess if you're watching my videos, then it's quite high up on the totem pole. Okay, so notice this use of totem pole. We're using it instead of the pecking order, the ladder, the hierarchy, the status within the rat race, something like that. Now you're probably going to wonder, what about formality? I actually quite like this as formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5. Use it anywhere because it's a metaphor. So it's a nice, interesting piece of language, and I think it's unusual and different from using the pecking order. So I strongly recommend using it in in your writings, in your essays. The position on the totem pole. Yeah, I think one of the things that happens to us is we lose ourselves worrying about how high up the totem pole we are. Yeah, climbing the totem pole. Um, I'd be interested to know if any of you can give me the origin of totem. It's something you could add in the comments section. Okay, so a totem pole. How high up the totem pole? Low in the totem pole, high in the totem pole. Insignificant, not important in the scheme of things, low on the totem pole. In the middle of the totem pole, medium importance. High up or at the top of the totem pole. So I guess in the UK, who's at the top of the totem pole at the moment? Well, I would guess Rishi Sunak and maybe Prince Charles and Camilla as well. Who cares about the totem pole? Yeah, we need to be ourselves and not be worried about anything else. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Low on the totem pole, high on the totem